Hello everyone. I am Dr. Chinu Agarwal. I am a psychologist, director of Feeling Minds, and advisory director of Hema Foundation. I have come to meet you people again to discuss about a new movie. Friends, the way you people are registering and participating in Heme Virtues is really cheering up and also encouraging and lifting up spirits of the whole team of Hema Foundation. And now, we have reached at the fifth movie. It is based on a very beautiful theme that is called Ashaएं or Hope. If you see from the psychological point of view, you will get to know that scientifically, Ashaएं or Hope is being studied in detail from over last 3 decades. It is believed that life is too difficult, and with being difficult, it is also very uncertain. We don't even know what will happen in the next moment. In such scenario, how should we plan the future? How we should determine our goals? Some people, sometimes especially kids, when they talk to me, they tell me that, "Ma'am, we don't know what will happen with us. In such case, how can we answer the question what we want to be in the next 10 years? Or how do we set vision? Or how do we define a mission for ourselves?" This thing is absolutely right. Now look, only by determining a goal you won't be able to achieve it. You are actually required to have an optimistic view or a hope or ashaएं. So that despite of all the challenges and difficulties that life poses at us, still one day everything will be fine. When this difficult time of corona pandemic had arrived and the whole world was in fear, that time this hope that one day everything will be fine, this gave us strength. If we don't have any hope, then we will not be able to think anything positive in the future. When I was talking to people during this pandemic through online workshop, and I was telling them how to maintain their mental health, that time giving hope or to keep hope played a very important part. Once I had suggested that, see, we have 2 choices. Either we consider our life to be fully miserable. We will have to imagine something or the other to see what is in our future. When we see our future with the attitude of hopelessness or with sight of despair or with anxiety or too many worries, then the effect of that causes mental, emotional, hormonal imbalance in us. We become emotionally upset. And in present, we don't want to or are unable to do anything. On the other hand, despite of all the difficulties, if we see future with optimistic perspective, considering what will I do when everything will be fine, then we will be able to make optimum utilization of the present even in the lockdown period. I saw that a lot of people have learned several new things, updated their skills with courses, and did a lot of planning for their future. And today, when lockdown is over and it is almost more than a month now, situation is going back to normal. People who were optimistic and who were very hopeful, those people are very smoothly and very easily getting back on track. Hopelessness is the main symptom of depression, and hopefulness plays a very vital role. It's like the biggest pillar for mental health. Friends, this movie that I'm talking about is very influential movie where they show 2 friends who are admitted in the hospital. Their attitudes are showcased in the movie. You people will surely be effectively influenced with it. Please watch this movie and then solve all the before and after MCQs, and after that, the tasks that have been given after that, please complete them with full enthusiasm. You people already know that after every movie, those kids who have completed all the MCQs, surveys, and tasks that were given, those kids will be awarded by us. 5 kids are being awarded in each webinar. I hope you people stay healthy and happy till we meet the next time. Thank you.